Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how does professional web design add value to your business. So firstly, first impressions matter. Who would have thought that your first impression matters, especially when it comes to a website? So a professional web design creates a powerful first impression. In the digital age, a website often serves as the first point of contact between a business and potential customers. And a professionally designed website conveys credibility, professionalism, and trustworthiness, encouraging your visitors to engage further with your business, which ultimately means they're going to spend more with your business and it's going to increase your revenue. A professional web design helps enhance user experience. Everybody can build a website these days. There are platforms out there that make it so simple and so easy to do. But the expertise that a professional web designer can bring to your website and your project when it comes to actually converting leads, attracting leads, increasing your overall conversion rate, which ultimately leads to increased revenue, is massive. Everything from the user experience, so making sure that the menu system is easy to follow, that the information is easy to reach, and that people aren't getting lost in the process. Accessibility, making sure that your website is accessible to people who perhaps are visually impaired, have a learning disability, or any other disability. A positive user experience will increase user engagement, reduce bounce rates, and encourage repeat visits. Mobile responsiveness. It's important that your website these days works across multiple platforms. Gone are the days where people would only access the internet from their computer at home. It's been gone for a long time, and it's increasing more and more that people are using mobile phones and tablet devices to access your computer more than they are accessing it from a computer. So a mobile-friendly website is essential to reach and engage a broader audience. Professional design ensures that your site looks and performs well on all of these devices and gives you a consistent user experience across those devices. So the next bit is customization and scalability. A professional web design can offer the ability for you to customize your online presence and allow for you to scale that website and that presence as your business grows. SEO and visibility. So a website that's designed professionally, built professionally, and uses professional content can easily be adapted to increase your marketing and your brand awareness using SEO. So whether that's optimized content and images to fast loading times, making sure the website's mobile responsive, making sure that people have an easy path to follow when they get to your website, all of this comes under SEO and visibility, which ultimately drives higher rankings and more organic traffic to your site. Security and reliability. People want to know that their personal data is safe. With all of the, publicized data breaches from large companies, especially here in Australia, in the past, 18 months, we've had Optus, we've had some of the healthcare providers, their data's been breached. And people have had to go and get new licenses and all sorts of things. So one key thing is to make sure that your website is secure and reliable And that's something that the expertise of a professional web designer can do for your business. They can implement up-to-date security measures to protect your site from hacking and malware. They can ensure that your customers' data is secure. It not only protects your business from potential legal issues, but also builds trust with your audience. One of the key things in the security and reliability space is having your terms and conditions and things like that on your website. I see so many websites that a business owner has not put their business legals on their website. Basically, you're liable if you don't have these things on there, if you collect any data. So if you have a form on your website that people fill out to contact you, something as simple as that can leave you liable if someone's data is stolen and you don't have the appropriate legals displayed on your website. So keep that in mind, that a professional web designer can make sure that you have all of these things. Sure, it might come at a cost, but it's something that you need to have, and the cost to implement these things is far less than the cost that you may have to pay if there is a data or security breach on your website. Okay, so in conclusion, investing in a professional web design adds significant value to your business because it creates a strong first impression, it enhances your user experience, and improves your online visibility and credibility. A well-designed website is an essential tool for achieving business growth and your success in the digital marketplace. Okay, that's the end of this video, and I hope you got something out of it. Even if it was around the security and reliability or the scalability of having a good quality website. And just remember, not all web designers are built equally. There are some out there that will charge you a fortune and give you nothing, and there are some out there that will charge you a lot less and give you more. Just make sure that when you're choosing a professional web design or digital marketing partner, that you do your homework, ask around, ask other business owners who you deal with on a regular basis who they used and why, what did they like about them, because we want to make sure that everybody gets the right experience, right from you as the business owner building the website through to your end user navigating through your website to make a purchase. So until the next video, this is Martin from Define Marketing. Catch you later.